This is our new NFC lock, and we have here a smart key card. This is our solenoid. This one also can use the emergency key here, so I'm not going to use it here right now. First of all, I'm going to delete everything, so I'll just take this button and I'll press it for about 6 seconds. So everything is completely deleted, and I'm going to try the factory default code, which is 147 and the pound key. So I'm going to change the factory code, and first of all I'm going to press this 0 button 6 times, 2, 5, 6, then pound button, then my factory default code, which is 147 pound key. Then I'm going to put a new factory code, which is, I'm going to change this to a new code. Sorry, I have to repeat it again. Then I'm going to change the new one. I have to repeat it again. So my new management code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.